sir. Huge shout out to Nike for sending over the AF1s right here. Definitely the perfect summer sneaker. Let's get right into this video. What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be doing an affordable Nike sneakers you need in your rotation video. You guys might have thought our past videos were sponsored by Nike due to how many Nikes we recommended, but this one's kind of a dream come true because it is actually sponsored by Nike.
Man, that's crazy. And shout out to Nike for actually like recognizing how much work you've been putting in.
Exactly,
and
man.
a lot of the sneakers on this list is like sneakers we should have already been talking about.
Talked about, or we've already recommended, you know what I mean? So let's get into the first sneaker. All right, guys, so sneaker number one right here, definitely a sneaker that is buzzing. We got the Nike Waffle Runs,
the waffle
only
joints.
$100,
Sheesh.
which is crazy.
Man, right out the gate, you know what I see right here? Sakai joint.
Man, we were just looking at the pricing. What, $1,000 for the Waffle
and
Ones?
A few months ago, 500.
The Sakais, yeah, definitely went up crazy. And at 1/10 of the price, $100, you could get these right here. And I'm not gonna lie, man, these are clean in person.
I mean, I know a lot of people were kind of skeptical because of the shape and the photos.
Yeah, that's what
kind of has that like that toe bending up,
kind of like a banana shape. In the photos, I don't know. It's something about the photos that make it look like it's curved up.
Yeah, you were kind of skeptical about it. Seeing that too.
But I put in the shoe trees in these, and that changes everything.
Man, the entire shape of the shoe is way better with the shoe trees. And the little details on the shoe are fire. The tiny little Nike swoosh, the breathable mesh is see-through.
You even get the little heel cup right here, man.
Heel cup.
And you know, I can say this because I'm one of the biggest fans of the Sakai
You
Waffle
always
Ones.
have them on it. Always.
Exactly. And I'm gonna go and say these are a nice alternative. I don't think I'm gonna pay $1,000 for another pair.
Yeah, no double ups needed.
I might just have to rock with these. Hopefully, with the shoe trees in them, it does kind of develop this shape.
And it kind of just stays that way, right?
Exactly. So these are just a really nice casual sneaker that you could just rock with so many different styles.
I mean, yeah, basically you could rock these just like you're gonna rock the Sakais.
Exactly. All right, guys. So we have the Waffle Ones right here. Definitely much better in person.
Guys, do not forget the shoe trees in here. It's gonna make a big
it's a game
difference.
changer. Woo! All right, guys. So another sneaker under $100 right here. We got the Nike Blazer Lows. Really, really clean.
Super clean, man. And if I'm gonna be honest, I've always liked the Blazer silhouette more than the Air Force One.
Really?
I know that sounds crazy. But the Blazer's a lot more sleek.
Yeah, I would agree when it comes to denim. Like, I think the denim stack's nicer on Blazer Lows, but shorts, I'm going with Forces.
Got you.
But yeah, I can see what you mean. Definitely what I really like about Blazer Lows is each pair that they come out with kind of has their own characteristics. Like these right here. Look at the toe cap.
The toe cap touches, the foam tongue kind of give you that off-white vibe.
Exactly. I'm glad they kept that up. Like they didn't stop that ever.
Right.
And then these right here, a little bit on the cleaner side. Bro, I'm looking at these from the side. They look exactly like the
Jerry Project.
The Essentials tennis sneakers that he just dropped for $250. I just realized he literally took a Blazer Low
and just took off the Nike swoosh.
Bro.
And tripled the price.
Crazy. Tripled the price. Okay, so yeah, definitely with the all white pair. In the leather on these all white pair.
Right. It's actually a nice quality.
Like it's buttery and soft right here. Yeah. I never seen these in person, but and then we got these right here. Definitely really, really unique and cool. You got the recycled material here on the
go with that.
Swoosh.
Anything with like the recycled material, I'm kind of all behind because you know I sell vintage. I'm all about the recycled projects.
That's true. You kind of is that like another reason why you do vintage?
Definitely is another part. It helps
sustain the environment.
The climate.
Yeah. They're doing a lot of crazy sneakers. Like we're gonna talk about the
don't even get me started on.
I know you're excited about those, bro. I know you're excited about those. But yeah, Nike Blazer Lows, man, definitely. I really, really like this look with denim. Like
I would a nice staple with denim. Shorts, like you said, go with the Air Forces.
Yeah,
but denim. Blazer Lows.
I like these all white ones for sure. Price wise, we got
85 on these guys right here.
75 for the all whites, and then we got 85 for the Blazer Low SEs right here.
All under $100, guys.
Under $100. That is the theme of today's video. Affordable sneakers you need in your rotation. Let's move on to the next sneaker.
Number 3.
Woo! Okay, so the next sneaker right here, we got the Nike Blazer Vintage Mids right here. What are you thinking about these?
Yeah, again, I'm going to go back to what I said earlier. Blazers over Air Forces when it comes to on feet, man.
Okay.
Like, honestly, the green on these pops with anything that I kind of wear, that vintage vibes, like that old school Sean Witherspoon vibes.
Yeah, the colors on Blazers feel a little bit like funner, I would say, than Forces are a little too serious sometimes.
A little too serious, a little too loud sometimes.
Yeah,
these are more chill.
I would say the toe box is a no-brainer on the
Super
Blazers.
nice touch.
Like, I have to have the Blazers with the toe box. And then we got these popcorn like movie vibe ones right here. These
I've actually
are crazy.
never seen these in person, I'm gonna be honest. Man, the details on these with that cream laces, I don't know what it is about the cream laces, but I feel like they need to be on these.
So have you seen what people are doing right now? The
No,
DIY on the so they're doing this whole thing where you could soak the laces in some coffee and then let it sit overnight and then everything, and then it actually dyes the laces to get this look right here. Like, it looks exactly like.
Imagine that, bro. Like, the cream laces on these, I think would just set them off.
I'm gonna even take it a little further. What if you dyed the whole midsole right here in the same coffee stain color?
Man, I like where you're going with that.
So
like,
the
exact look,
and then you got the pop of color right here.
Now we're talking like DIYs with these Blazers, man.
Exactly, man. So the Nike Blazer right here, around $100, definitely really affordable.
And an extra $10 get you that little bit extra quality leather on these too.
Exactly. You can see it right here, all the tumbledness and everything. Definitely. Really clean. Definitely look into these. Let's get into the last sneaker. Woo! Okay, so last but not least right here, we had to save a classic for last. We got the Nike Air Force One, white on white. Man. This is definitely a dream come true, recommending this sneaker right now.
You've been talking about these for years,
exactly,
man,
and to have it like officially commissioned by Nike definitely means a lot.
It
doesn't get any better. And as far as styling goes, you like tying them tight?
I like tying them tight.
Really?
I mean, not too tight to the point they're cutting off my circulation.
That reminds me of the TikTokers when they're tied tight. You know what? Are you doing some dances?
I don't know about? You're not gonna catch me on TikTok. No app on my phone.
I like wearing them really loose, like a little bit more laid back, casual. When I do rock them, it's more so with like some sweats, definitely. And yeah.
Are you the type to keep them like brand new? Do you mind a little age wear on them? Like, how you doing that?
I like them crispy, man.
So you're copping 2 pairs?
I like these crispy. I don't really like the aged look with the like that whole I went to a festival look. Yeah, I'm not really feeling it. Not much more to say about these. You guys know how I feel about the classic white on white Nike Air Force Ones. So many different ways you can style these. Definitely a classic. Alright guys, thank you for checking out that affordable Nike sneakers you need in your rotation video. Definitely hit the links in the description box below to find all of these sneakers right here. Huge shout out to Nike. Like I said, this is definitely really cool.
Shout out to Nike. Shout out to Nike.
Huge shout out to Nike, and that's pretty much it. Shout out Brandon. Make sure you guys check out his Instagram. And until next time, we out. Peace.